wicked. So it comes with this awesome stadium, looking really cool. Then it comes with these Beyblades, which is Kolassal Helios K6 and Super Hyperion H6. There you go. As you can see, they give us the things opening for the set, and then Kolassal Helios and Super Hyperion. This is a really cool stadium. Probably just want to buy the stadium only because of the way it's built. Really nice texture, nice quantity. They gave us 2 launchers, as in the package, and they give us Super Hyperion and King Helios. Now let's go ahead and work on putting the stadium together. So guys, we managed to get it on. I got to fair warning. We recommend you look at the instructions because they are very difficult. So now that we've got that out, let's go and open our prize Beyblades. We got some Beyblades, they are looking amazing. And here is a battle, test battle. 3, 2, 1, let it. Oh my goodness, I'm conscious. Here's the test spin. Here's the back. Alright, the score is 1-1, guys. Here's the final match. Who's gonna win? Video coming next Friday of Kolassal Helios versus Super Hyperion versus Mirage.